Good morning! Hello babe, my ring. Sorry. Forgot to wear my ring and my... Hala, this battery is dying. Wait, I need to charge it. Kalimutan ko suotin yung relo ko tsaka yung sing-sing ko. I-charge ko muna ang camera na to. Good morning guys! Reverse tayo. Ito lang yung kaya kong gawin. Ayaw ko pag-drive ni Dan. Ay, pwede naman, pero ayaw niya. Yung mama niya din, ayaw niya din ako ipa-drive. Kasi sabi niya, mas mabuti daw na meron akong mas mabuti daw na mag-drive ako kung meron akong driver's license. Na totoo talaga, though yung driver's license ko, pwede naman ako mag-drive dito na 6 months. But yeah, hanggang dito lang muna ako. Reverse. Bilis na naman ito. Okay. Wawa naman si Danny Boy. Mukha ni Danny Boy. Ay! Balik ko yung seat. Recently lang namin nalaman na pwede palang iangat yung seat niya. Wala pa akong lipstick. Babalik pa kami dito. Mag-grocery shopping lang kami. Tapos babalik kami dito. And then pupunta kami kina Kath. Kina Kath kasi birthday niya. No, not birthday. Hindi niya birthday today. Pero today yung celebration ng kanyang birthday! Matanda na si Cathy! Yung mama ni Dan pupunta dito. Bukas, dito sila magdi-dinner. So magluluto ako ng chop suey. I know, chop suey na naman. Pero yun kasi yung bagong alam ko na gusto ko ipatikim sa kanila. Kasi alam nga naman, adobo na naman ulit. Tapos tinola na naman ulit. So like, you know, chop suey naman para maiba naman. See, yung ano na Dan, yung car ni Dan, hindi talaga nagbi-beep kapag ako yung walang seatbelt. The car hates me! We're going to Kmart again. This is no longer healthy. This is ridiculous. We go to Kmart almost every single day.
Let's go then.
I will go. You go to Kohl's, your favorite shop right there. I'm going here. Kohl's is busy, you guys. Medyo malapit na kami matapos. Si Dan, bibili daw siya ng soda. Para sa... Kasi naka-sale. 2 for $16. 2 for $16. And there's how many in here? 10. Yeah, that's good, babe. What's the difference? Why does the fridge mat, what is that? Just the...
I'll give it a go in your fridge.
Gotcha. Okay. So you want Coke Zero? Ito na pala yung mga napamili namin. Maybe I'll do a haul later. It looks a lot, but it's really not that bad. You could put the drinks in here, babe, at the bottom. We got banana for our smoothie. Let's not forget the frozen fruit. Nagpunta din ako sa Kmart kanina. Binili ko tong dress. $5 lang siya, guys. Galing sa kids section. It was 20 and 5 lang siya. Sinukat ko siya and okay siya. Like, you know, pambahay na dress. And then, mga lunchbox. Or like, yeah, lunchbox. Busy. You get 2? Okay. We're looking for frozen fruit. Hala babe, they don't really have the big ones. Where did we get those? Foodland, huh? See, they only have the small bags.
Okay.
Hala, maybe the fruit and veg will have it. Do you think? No? Not the frozen ones?
Just get one small bag.
They have these. Yeah, just get that. Again, babe. Say that again? What did he say?
So we chicken.
Yeah.
So
I wasn't recording then.
We always check.
That's a really chaka egg, babe. That's a chaka looking egg. Can you?
No, they're fine though.
Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Wow. Oh, I love this self checkout. Let's go.
Let's go for a proper thing. This is too much for some.
Hello, we're home! Yung MAC, guys, na pro long wear, hindi ko siya like, okay lang siya, pero hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Sobrang konti lang yung nilagay ko, kasi konti lang yung sample na binigay, diba? Tapos, parang medyo thick siya tingnan. Medyo lang naman. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Dito lang naman sa area na to. Like, see? Na-emphasize niya yung texture ng aking mukha earns. See? Dito. Yeah! You got bananas! Ano talaga? Sa market, Central Market, is it, babe?
Yeah, put your ice cream in the freezer.
Okay. Yung sa Central Market, yung ano, yung banana, sobrang mura lang, $1 per kilo. Ito, like, $2.50 per kilo? Was it? Or $3?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was even more, I think.
Was it?
Yeah, I think like $4.
$4?
$3.50 to $4.
Wow. Yeah, that's expensive. That's way too much. Well, compared to the other one. We got tomato, kasi mag-wrap si Dan for lunch. And yung wraps namin, hindi na nilalagyan ng meat if it's lunch, yung binabaon niya. Ano na lang, egg. And yeah, I think that's healthy, guys. Walang meat, egg. And then we got lettuce, cauliflower. I think, babe, this is enough. Because I'm cooking for more than 2 people. Ito para sa ano to, chop suey. Para sa dinner
I
bukas.
think it's a lot tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Yes, sure. And then, I got extra na gum. Kasi, ano ko na siya, chinuchu ko siya during training. Kasi ano, minsan nakaka-bore yung training. So, minsan inaantok ako. Not minsan. Well, yung first day, sobrang inaantok ko kasi pagod na pagod ako noon. Galing pa kaming Melbourne. And the next day, parang natuto na ako na mag-chew ng gum. Hindi naman na ganon. Like, you know, parang meron ka lang chinuchu para to keep you awake, at least sa akin. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm wearing this. Parang jumper yung tawag natin sa atin, diba? Sunshine Girl na I got from, I think, Gear Best. And then this top, I think, Romy or Shein. We got shampoo kasi naubos na yung shampoo. Paubos na yung shampoo namin. And then, toothpaste as well. I got this para sa filming room. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung akin. Bigla lang nawala. And then, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina sa Kmart. Sobrang tagal namin sa Kmart, guys. Sabi ni Dan, para lang tong ano ha, nung bumibili ka ng gloves. Kasi last time, like, gloves lang yung hinahanap ko. Sobrang tagal namin natapos pumili ng gloves. Like, seriously, siguro hindi nga namin siya nabili like that day. Basta, sabi niya, parang gloves lang to kasi sobrang tagal ko dun to decide kung ano yung baunan ba tawag dito, napipiliin ko. So, I decided, sabi niya, you know what, bumili ka ng marami para meron kang choices. Kasi, like, kung isa lang, sobrang siguro umagahin tayo dito. So, I got these 2 small ones. And then, ito. And then, ito. We got capsicum. Oh, babe! Baking this tonight.
Or we should,
What?
I was saying we should do that now because it tastes better.
I'll do it now. After I do this haul, I'll do it. I'll do it. And then, tropical smoothie mix. So, ito, meron siya. Hello, babe, this one has banana already. Mango, pineapple, and papaya! Kakaloka, may papaya. And then, strawberries, of course. Para sa smoothie namin. Tapos yung nandito, puro meat. Chicken breast, bacon, chicken thighs, chicken, you know, some chicken. I will go ahead and cook this, bake this. Para pagdating namin mamaya, meron na kami, ready na yung aming dinner. Kasi mas masarap siya kapag hindi like sobrang init. Like, you know, mas masarap siya nakaset siya doon sa oven. Yes. Oh, sorry. Dan is putting eggs in the capsicum. Ito na-bake ko siya 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And then after namin malagay ng egg, lalagay namin yung bacon na niluto na Dan. Na hindi siya niluto like all the way through kasi babalik namin ito sa oven. And then after that, salt and pepper, babe. Yeah, on top of the egg. To season the egg. Just a little bit because I already seasoned the capsicum with salt and pepper as well. Just a little bit of pepper, mister. Just a little, that's too much. Okay.
Bacon?
Yep. Malapit na kami kinakat. Si Dan, pupunta siya sa bahay ng niya, friend niya. Na malapit lang dito kinakat. Yung kasi usapan is 3, tapos 2:30. I was planning actually to be there at 2. Kaya lang, niluto namin yung capsicum. Oh, happy birthday! Meron silang balloons outside their house. That's cool. Dan will just drop me off and then, yeah, he will go to his friend. So you will stay there for an hour, babe?
I'll be there for an hour.
Okay, so you will be here in 3:30. You will be a late one.
3:30.
You're the late guest. Sabi nung dalawa, mag-maxi dress daw ako. Siguro nag-maxi dress yung dalawa. Eh, nakasuot na ako ng ganito. Pinabili pa ako ni Kat ng ranch. Kaloka, hirap hanapin ng ranch. Mwah!
Alright, come on, let's go, get out. Get out. I got
Last one. Love you.
Alright, take the puzzle and all the crap as well.
No, not the puzzle. I'm gonna give that to Roslyn. It's gonna be the same thing as the ones at the back. Ito yung gift ko kay Kat. Hala, babe, may huha showing. Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Be good. Hello.
MKR?
Sinabi mo ng Maxi Dress, nasa ano na kami?
I knew it. Where's Danny?
Punta siya sa ano niya, friend. Andito na si Ann?
Oo. Ano
Hello.
alas dos, day?
Dito ako sa vlog ko, Ann.
Hi, everybody.
Naka-maxi dress yung dalawa. Very colorful. Parang kayo pupunta ng Hawaii.
May kasi tayo.
Magma-maxi dress ako. Kaya nasabi ko lang, maxi dress ako last time.
Oo nga.
Dito, nagluto si Kat.
Color.
Nagluto siya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hindi pa lutuin.
Yung binigay sa'yo ni Jen, nasa sasakyan. Mamaya na pabalik ni Dan. Ano gagawin mo, Kat?
Cinderella, mocktail.
Char! May ganon.
Shake with pineapple.
Para kay Kat, kasi hindi siya pwede uminom. I'm having lemonade. Been eating this. Ito yung mga handa ni Kat. Oh, yummers ito. Na-try ko na to. Spring roll. And then ito yung sushi na dala namin na Dan. And then ito, what is this? Oh, pansit! Yes! And then si Madam, nagluluto ng spring roll. Yum.
Madam Doy.
Si Madam Ann.
Madam ha.
Parang nag-usap kayo?
Hindi. Nakita ko lang Facebook sa kanila.
Yan, filming. Naghahanap kami kung saan kami magpipicture. Ang init.
Siguro dyan tayo. Dito tayo tatlo.
Oh, yeah. Kaya lang, saan ko ilalagay yung camera ko? Saan ko ilalagay yung camera? Wait, tingnan ko ha. Dito si Mayora!
Ito din galing sa kanila.
At saka si Maya. Binigay ko na sa kanila yung binigay ni Jen.
Gosh, thank you,
Thank you, Jen.
Thank you, Jen. Thank you so much.
Yay!
Thank you. Yun yung sige, hello, nandito kami. Nakatawa ko sa vlog.
Bakit?
Sabi mo,
Hello.
thank you so much for this. Di ko na-expect. Oh my God. Sabi mo, late kami si Mayora. Kala mo kay Kiara yung gift. Tapos silagay pala ni Dan doon yung...
Nahulog kasi yung note. Sobrang dami kaya
Tapos, nung late na, tinanong ko, okay, yung laman ng gift, nagaya, pagkain, magkaganito si Kiara.
Oo nga, galing pala yun kay Joy. Ito, binigay ni Mia. Salamat, Mia. Wala ba ako nito eh.
Oh,
Good one! Yay! Thank you. Are you vlogging? Kumusta? Bakit ang tagal niyo?
Nagibibita naman siya. Bakit ba? Hindi na kami fresh. Hindi mo dinala.
Hindi.
Yan, pang...
Yeah.
Di, pang GoPro, di ba?
Gear best.
Makano yan?
Pwede mo siyang i-ganon doon.
Pwede? Pwede ba?
I think it's
I-adjust mo.
Pwede mo.
18, 19.
Pwede na. Hello, Rachel. Happy 100K.
Thank you.
Oo nga, congrats.
Pwede mo daw buntis.
Nag-live si Ann,
Yes, sir,
tapos
pwede.
pinanood ko yung live niya. Ako din naman to, oh. Ayan.
Nag-ulit
Hello.
silang dalawa.
Pinanood ko yung live
Mga
ni Ann.
nina.
Nag-live si Ann.
Ito
Ito
si
mahilig
Mayora.
mag-live sa sa
Ay.
Instagram.
Ay.
Is your account public
Ano
na?
sabi mo?
Is it public? Yung account mo? Okay.
Post ko muna. Ikaw kayo mag-live.
Bakit? Tayo dalawa mag-live.
Ako ang mag-take over. Kasi birthday ko.
Sige.
Yay! Happy
Charot
birthday!
lang.
Happy birthday!
Ay,
May hotdog pa.
Sige na.
Ay, bulok! Ano ba yan?
Ano ba kasi ro?
Yung camera ko. Ang galing.
Hulog ah?
Ang ganda ng tripod mo.
Huwag ah.
Ganda ng hindi puga.
Parang electric fan.
Ang ganda kaya. Ang ganda talaga. Parang
Okay na ano siya. Terno. Kasi all
Black. Bakit mo ino? Oh, now, live na tayo. Live na naman tayo. Ito, si Ann. Nandito na naman si Ann.
nag-live ka.
Nandito si Mia at saka si Roslyn.
Mayora.
Hindi nyo sila magkita. Live.
Dati may naghahanap sa amin.
Oo.
Sa IG. Kasi naman mo absent.
Nahanap ka
Kasi
na.
gabi na kasi.
Nasaan
Ay,
daw
yung
si
nag-ano sila.
nung nag-ano tayo. Super ano din nun. Biglaan. The day before lang talaga. Sabi nila, we will come over tomorrow.
Ayun na.
Kasi nga, busy si Kat, tapos next naman niya, hindi na ako busy, tapos ako busy na. Tapos sabi ko, okay, my appointment was canceled, sabi ko, okay, organize.
Tapos nag-joke lang si Kat.
Nag-joke lang kami,
Nag-joke lang si Kat. Sabi niya, punta tayo sa inyo. Kasi, sabi ko, meron kami.
Gusto niyo makita yung Yung itsura.
Look at you! That's you, baby boy! Look at you! Let's see who's that! That's you! Yeah! Smile! He's so happy. Who's happy? Hindi niya ako nakikita eh. Here, oh! Hello! Hello, people! Say hi to the vlog! Hi! Hi! May dimple. May dimple. Ang cute. Grabe. Ang pangalan to ng ano ni Jordan. I mean, kapangalan ng asawa ni Ann Jordan. You're Jordan, right? Yay!
Oo naman, tapos bibili
So
mo.
cute! Cute! Yay, yay, yay! Ito yung cake ni Kat. Ay, ikaw lang napili ng design?
Hindi, siya yung nagpili. Tinignan
Ah, okay.
kay siya yung nag-send.
Ang cute. Oo nga. Yung pinsan ni Mia ang gumawa niyan.
Yung mismo. Yeah, chocolate yan.
Yay!
Paparazzi, paparazzi.
YouTubers.
I'm gonna blow my candle.
Go ahead. Speech, speech.
Maybe 31.
Thanks, thank you so much.
Oh, so pretty.
Yeah, you're gonna sing me a song first.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cathy. Happy birthday to you. Alright.
Cathy.
Yay!
Grace?
Yep, that's for me.
May ano pa, may resibo ka dahil.
May resibo? Diyos ko, may resibo ba?
May straw pa.
Hello, over naman. Ay, sa ano to? Iba tong resibo, Kat. Iba to, iba to. Iba.
Ito galing
Iba,
to
iba.
kay...
It's from me. Ano ba?
Parang I know this.
Yeah?
Oh, smells so good.
Yes.
Sinira niyo yung ano yung wrapper.
Yay! Ang kapal naman. Hello! That's alright. Mali. Bath bomb. That's sex bomb.
Huh?
Sex bomb. Yeah. Yun, ito sex bomb.
At saka, what's this? Wait, ito may ano siya ito. Ito. Ayun pa pala. Bali kung this
There's one
one.
there that needs to
Yeah.
be.
Yes,
needs to be in the
whole.
fridge.
Oh, really? I do not know.
And this, is this shampoo?
I think so.
Wala, dami kasama. Ano, shower gel.
Yes.
At saka ito. Nagkamali yung bukas ko, pasensya. Kung malat.
Yay! Ang bango.
Thank you, Ray.
You're welcome. Yay! Galing to kay Ann?
Galing kay Anto.
Panoorin niyo yung vlog ni Ann para malaman niyo kung ano yung ano.
Hindi kayo nag-usap pa?
Oh, promise, hindi talaga kami nag-usap.
Paras kayo iniisip pa.
Oh yeah, galing na yun kay Jen. Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin. Nandun sa, binigay ko sa'yo kanina ha.
Ito ba yun?
Halay, open mo nga. Para ma-video ko din.
Ay, kay Anto.
Hoy, ano ba yan? Nasa kwarto yung sa'yo. Sige, buksan mo. Sige, buksan mo.
Because you love the page as much as I do.
Yeah, sabi niya. May mga notes siya, no? Ang cute. As in, nirap talaga isa-isa. Tapos ang dami pa kaya. Asan ba si Mia at saka si Roslyn?
Ay, nakakapot si Dan.
Naka ano?
Baby stuff.
Ano nangyari kay Dan?
Kausap ni Rosie.
Ah, okay.
Hope this is the right spelling.
Kasi nag-assure sa akin sa
Oo, she asked me as well. Sabi ko, hindi ko pa sure kung C or K.
May letter pa.
Ang cute niya. Ang sweet. Uwi na sila. Actually, uwi na kami.
Ay, matutuloy ba tayo sa...
Saan? Sa Friday? As long as after 4:30. Basta 4:30. Okay ako. Let me know in advance. Kasi para magpalit ako magpasundo kay Nan. They're watching, ano guys? Ano to? 50 Shades of Grey. 50 Shades Dark or something. Friday, sure na? Okay. Roslyn. That's Roslyn at the back. Andun si Mia.
Kayo ka lang nag-vlog na mayroong nakasakay dito.
Oo, parang 2 beses na ata namin hinatid si Kat. Dalawang beses na namin hinatid si Kat, but I didn't vlog. Pero yeah, kasya din si Kat dyan sa likod.
Ano, ang bait-bait ni Don. Grabe.
Do you know that?
It's so out of your way, guys.
That's okay.
He insisted.
They're forcing me.
Ow.
Forcing me.
No, it's just a joke. Bait na talagang inaalala kami.
Siya talaga nag-offer.
Yeah.
Ganyan yan. Para lang yung
You
mean.
know, that's why they're so lucky with each other.
Char! My ganda. Bo, I'm a panda. Katapos ko lang mag-edit ng video, binasa ko yung buhok ko tonight kasi ayoko siyang basain bukas kasi mag-a-apply ako ng heat. So, binabasa ko siya the night before. And I will close the vlog. Happy birthday ulit. Kati maganda, hindi ko alam kung kailan ma-upload tong video na to. So, kung late na, deleted happy birthday. Pero wala pa yung birthday niya today. Yung birthday niya is Tuesday pa. But yeah, happy birthday, Inday. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Good night, babe. Uy, babe. Good night.
Bye.
Good night.